This is week 9 problem solving, and I'm not sure how well this video's gonna go because it's all paperwork. So to be honest, I didn't run into that many problems. It was just me needing willpower. But first problem I had, I'd say, was thinking about how I'm going to lay my portfolio out with them being such a big scene change. So on the Monday, I reformed basically my entire portfolio. I revamped the entire thing, but I got told not to delete any of my old work because some things, I mentioned this in my reflections, but some things wouldn't have gotten ticked off on my checklist. If I got rid of all the stuff from my old scene and just stuck to my new one, not everything would get ticked off. So for example, communication channels, you can't communicate online and have proof of it with yourself for that. But whereas with my old scene, I had a screenshot of me communicating with Esther via Teams, so I use that and I still get, like, it's still on there as me having communication with other people. So that was one problem ticked off, and then the other problem was just sort of like trying to explain how my scene went from a duologue to a monologue. But basically I've just had like a basic statement and I've copied and pasted it under every new section. So basically I started a new section for all my new bits of research. So every time I started a new section, I put change of scene and then research, practical planning, whatever it was, and then my starting statement of what's actually happened, linking it to my problem solving so people can see what the problem was. And then all my research has just continued from there. So that was my main problem for the week, sorted basically. Figuring out what research to put where as well was quite a problem, because I had absolutely loads of ideas for case studies and things, but not all of them I could justify well enough to put into my portfolio. So basically I just went off the list of the ones I deemed the most appropriate and the ones that I think I would have been able to justify well. So I think I've come out with about, I want to say like 6 case studies with how I've sort of put them down and justified myself. I need to do sort of add examples to them, but I've still got another week to do that, so it's fine. But yeah, that was it. Wednesday, working from home, do my case studies again, same thing. Friday was case studies as well as a bit of marketing, but we all pulled together for marketing and used each other's examples and things, so that was fine. But yeah, that's it for week 9 problem solving.